What would you say if you could get a completely cordless vacuum to clean your car, truck, or boat for 50% off right now? With several easy-to-use, quick attachments, you can get into all those hard-to-reach spots in your car, truck, boat, camper. With the bristle attachment, it makes it super easy to clean all of your rugs, floorboards, and carpeted areas. The best part, it's a dual-purpose tool. Use the blower part to inflate all of your inflatables within minutes this summer. You can empty it with just the push of a button. I use this Fantic cordless vacuum to clean all of my vehicles, and you should too. Click the link below, guys.